Hello everyone. In this video we'll see why businessmen and entrepreneurs need Storelink mobile app, and also we'll see how Storelink app works. Coming into the problem, a store is an emotion for every businessman and an entrepreneur. It is a place where he can present and showcase his products to his customers, where customers view the products and buys them, for which he can make some money for his life out of it. But the real problem is the customer walk-ins. The customer walk-ins are dropping day by day. This is due to many reasons. The change in customer interest are one of the core reasons. This is due to the pandemic situations happening around, bad environmental conditions outside, the less convenience to go out, and the tech savvy and educated customers are feeling shy to enter these stores. And also these stores are facing some common problems like huge rents, lack of crowded locations to set up their stores, and huge competition with their neighboring businesses, and inexperienced sales team are unable to demo their products. This is forming a gap between these businesses and these local customers. In order to capture this opportunity or fill the gap, the bigger e-commerce companies are coming into the play. They are using internet and e-commerce technology in order to set up their online stores, and they are trying to reach these local customers, and they are promoting their products by using different technology mediums. This is making more drop in the customer walk-ins into the stores. In order to compensate this problem, these businesses are trying their own solutions. Few are trying to set up their selling chat groups. But the problem here is customers don't want to be in these selling chat groups. Some are trying to set up their own online stores, but development and server maintenance is a bigger hectic. And also, running both a physical store and an online store is not an easy task. And digital marketing is also is a different aspect when compared to normal marketing. And also, huge digital marketing costs and its complexity is making more vulnerable to compete with bigger online businesses. Then what is the solution? We have developed a solution for these business people. We are happy to introduce you the Storelink app. It is the smallest local online store for businesses and aspiring entrepreneurs to showcase their products and to take orders. Coming into the unique features of this Storelink, it doesn't require any domain name like www.xyz.com. In order to market your Storelink or your store with products, you no need to spend any amount. It is completely zero marketing cost. And Tell a Friend is a unique feature in Storelink where you can fetch more customers or the new customers day by day. Beautiful product showcase is also one of the unique feature in this Storelink where you can get more orders for your products. It is both app and web compatible. And also the UPI payment integration is also very simple into Storelink. Storelink doesn't require any web server or a Google Play account to be hosted. It is completely built on progressive web app technology. In order to acquire a new customer, just sharing is enough. Then how to get your Storelink? In order to get your Storelink or to manage a Storelink, you need Storelink Manager. For this, you need to go to Google Play Store and download the Storelink Manager app. And you can also find the QR code on the right side of your screen, and we'll also try to place the link in the description of this video below. After downloading the Storelink Manager, you will see the Storelink Manager app front end like this. If you are a business person, you need to register into this app, and sign in into this app. Once you have signed in, you will ask for few of your store details where you need to enter for the first time only. Once you have finished all these tasks, now you are ready to manage your StoreLink. The StoreLink manager can be used by just 3 steps only. Before managing your StoreLink, first we need to generate your StoreLink. In order to generate your StoreLink, just verifying your phone number is enough. Now your StoreLink is generated. Now let's start with step 1. In the step 1, you can enter all your stocks and offers. Let us consider we have entered 100 stocks. After completing step 1, now it is step 2. What are the products that you will enter into this from step 1 will be showcased to your customer. For example, if you want to showcase 10 products from the 100 stocks in your inventory, you can add or select 10 products here in the step 2. After finishing step 2, now it is time to market. Let's go to step 3. In the step 3, you can see the share button on the right side of the StoreLink. Once you click on the share button, the StoreLink will be shared to your customer's mobile and will be loaded for the first time like this. You can see the install now pop-up that is popping out in the StoreLink in the customer mobile. Once the customer clicks on the install now button, the StoreLink will be installed like any other app or any other e-commerce app into this mobile. Once the customer clicks on the shop now button, he can see all the products that you have entered in the step 2 of the StoreLink manager. The customer will select the products he likes and he will try to order. Once he confirms his order with his delivery address, the order will be placed back into the StoreLink manager like this, where you can build the order and you can confirm the order to the customer back. You can monitor more analytics in the step 3 of the StoreLink manager. In the bottom of the StoreLink manager, you can see the views of the customers that are viewing your StoreLink and number of installations happened and for which the number of orders you have got, for the total number of products that you have showcased. Now let's talk about tell a friend option. Tell a friend is a unique feature in StoreLink where you can find in your customer mobile. For example, you have shared your StoreLink for your customer 1. You can see tell a friend option at the below of the shop now button. The customer 1 will clicks on or use this tell a friend option to share this StoreLink to his friend or the customer 2, where you can get a new installation or a new view from the second new customer. It helps you to reach more customers. Now let's go in detail. For example, you can see a red color infographic on your right side of your screen. Consider he is an entrepreneur who shared the StoreLink to 2 of his customers in his location. And each customer tried to use tell a friend option and tried to share the StoreLink to 2 of his friends. Like this StoreLink will be further shared to more of their friends, and the stems will be growing and you will fetch more customers. You can monitor all these analytics in the step 3 of your StoreLink. It is completely zero marketing cost, which doesn't require any amount to be spent in order to get a new customer. In this slide, you can see the eagle view of the complete working of the StoreLink manager and the StoreLinks. Here you can see a entrepreneur created or a businessman created an StoreLink manager, StoreLink using StoreLink manager, and he passed on the StoreLinks to the 3 of our customers in the location, and the customers are browsing the products and they are ordering back to the StoreLink manager. Fortunately, the StoreLink manager on the StoreLink can be managed from the anywhere. StoreLink is the best alternative to run any business. Let's go in detail. For example, a business person or an entrepreneur invests his capital in buying some stocks, showcase these products to his customers, do some marketing, get some orders, fulfill the orders or deliver the products, and he will gain some profits. He will use these profits and he again invests back into the stocks. The same business life cycle can be run using the StoreLink app. This proves that StoreLink satisfies the complete business life cycle. Coming into the benefits of using StoreLink app. Small and mid-scale businesses can open online store for their local. And also, if you have a new business idea or if you are an aspiring entrepreneur, then StoreLink will be the best choice to start up. The StoreLink app easily helps you to handle business in pandemic situations like COVID-19. If you are facing the less customer walk-ins into your business or you are getting less business, you can use the StoreLink app in order to improve your business in this pandemic situation also. It's the best solution if you are facing user end problems. If your store is not in a perfect location, then you can use StoreLink app in order to get the orders from your customers. If you are facing a severe competition with the bigger online stores in your locality, you can compete using StoreLink with these bigger e-commerces. There is no need to spend high amount of your money for your business promotion. Just sharing is enough. The StoreLink app helps you to cut down huge digital marketing costs. And it is also zero third-party dependency app. In order to get all these benefits at one glance, please download StoreLink app from Google Play Store. Or also you can visit our website storelink.online. Thank you.